guys, it's been a while. Well, I got no mic. I'm trying the phone setup, that way I don't have to use the camera all the time. Anyways, we're gonna be installing some shocks for the truck. It's a little messy, but we'll get through it. We went with the Fox 2.0s. I don't know if you guys can see that. Very pretty, very shiny. Truth be told, I already did the left-hand side. You have to install the right-hand side, front and rears. So these are the front, and these are the rear. Okay, so let's set up. I have no idea what the audio is like. Hopefully it's good. So that's what we're gonna end up looking like, right? Very simple, just 2 spots, bam, bam, just bam, and then way up there, it's the other side. And that the top side is just a nut, and it comes, spider web, it comes right off. Also, I changed the King wrench color. I mean, it's hard to tell, but there we go. This is like the black, and this is the 2024 King wrench brown, or what do they call it? Dark metallic bronze, from what I used to have, the old tan color. Anyways, let's crack on. The first thing we want to do is crack the wheel so we have access. Let's do that real quick. Oh, truck was unlocked. Alright, now we got access. I always prefer to wear freaking safety glasses because dirt always gets in my eye. Never fails. I'm not your father, you do what you want, but I'd recommend it. We got an 18 for the bottom bolt. I don't think I'm the automotive kid anymore, guys. Getting old. So I got 13/16 on the bottom and then a 21 up top. Ooh. Okay. Sweet. Perfect. Come on, girl. Just use a little leverage. Oh, you know what? Let's do this. Like, some kind of penetrant always helps.
Six and a half hours later. Eventually.
Sorry gang, the phone heated up and so I had to take it inside, let it cool off. And I didn't do the whole socket thing, I just went straight with the wrench and it's almost back out. Not back out, it's almost out. This sucker in. Get out of there. So this one, I don't even know how you would torque it because it's got an Allen key on the top. And then you'd have to use a wrench. You can use a ratcheting wrench. Maybe it has a hole in the center, kind of like doing high locks, but I've never seen one this size. Anyways, let's throw this sucker on. Alright boys, I don't recommend this. All right, sorry. Phone keeps heating up, but we got the bolt inside with the lower bolt in. I'm just gonna compress the shock, slide it in, run the nuts in there. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Alright, for you the care, 111 foot-pounds on the bottom, 46 up top. The top ones I'm just gonna run until there's relatively snug. When I start seeing this compress, and thus I'll be able to torque. Shout out to the guys at Precise Built. They sent me this torque wrench, and it works just as any other torque wrench I ever used. It'll be a 19¼ inch Allen key. Good enough for the girls we go with. So now we'll focus on the rear.
Hey, that's what she said.
All right, so I went ahead and sprayed them already, top and bottom. We're gonna start with the bottom and then we'll do the top one last. All right, just in case the phone dies, this one's 66 foot-pounds, that one's 46. And somebody really wailed on this. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Oh. 15 millimeter, 18. Yeah. Nope, no dice, boys. At least not for me. I don't feel like fighting it. We'll get it. So, are you guys still alive? Can't tell. Yeah, okay. So the performance for the rear ones faces upward. Don't mind that leaf. Perfecto. It doesn't go super fast, but also don't be twiddling your thumbs. She is coming.
That's what she said.
I don't know, can you guys see any of that? I'm trying to get out of your way. Got our bolt ready. That. Yes, keep going. Keep going, girl. Oh boy. Guess I shouldn't have torqued that yet. Because I didn't torque it last time. Not until everything was in. That was my bad. Kinda works out though, because at least it's not gonna run away from me. Unless it does. You piece of crap. Well, nope. I better not loosen it. Because if I loosened it, it will run away from me. Alright, well, lesson learned, boys. Make sure your stuff is still loose if we put that bottom bolt down. Are you guys still alive? You are. Sweet. Okay, well, let me just clean this up and we'll go from there. Well, gang, it's been a few days. Actually, it's been a few weeks. I ended up installing a wheel dampener stabilizer thing, some wheels, changed out the trim from like that brown to black. Anyways, about the ride feels nicer. In all honesty, I didn't think there'd be much of a change, but there definitely is. It doesn't feel as stiff or jarring. Good stuff. I'll show you guys what the truck looks like here in a minute once I get home. But with that being said, if you like what you see, please like, comment, subscribe, anything you'd like to do. Until next time, guys. Peace.